Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Honda Pilot EXL. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, roof rails, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.